The Kailicha Shared Services Office Building is an initiative pioneered by the Western Province government, which attempts to bring all provincial service departments under one roof. It accommodates government departments which are health, social development, agriculture, and education, with the goal of achieving greater success and convenience when servicing clients as well as to manage these services in a more efficient manner. The building is located in South Africa in the Western Cape Province, more specifically in Kailicha, which is on the outskirts of Cape Town. This is an area that was originally established in the mid-80s as part of the Group Areas Act, and it has since then grown considerably and is today one of the largest townships in South Africa. It's home to nearly 400,000 residents, where 55% of them live below the poverty line and 80% live in informal dwellings. The KSSOB is located within the Kailicha CBD on the corner of Steve Biko and Walter Sisulu Roads and shares its site with the Kailicha Hospital. This is quite a significant building for a series of reasons. It's the first provincial government building to be awarded a Green Star design rating in the Western Cape. It's the first Green Star rated building in Kailicha. It has the distinction of being the tallest building in the area. And lastly, the building is the first attempt by the Western Cape government to cluster government services in one building. From a design point of view, the building had a series of very specific urban and environmental design objectives. From an urban and social perspective, it needed to be a significant medium-rise building in line with the Kailicha urban design framework. It needed to make a positive urban design contribution to the Kailicha CBD. And lastly, it needed to contribute to operational efficiency in terms of service delivery. On an environmental note, it had to achieve the standards needed to obtain a Green Star rating, and it needed to contribute to overall environmental sustainability. We were quite successful in these efforts, and the building was awarded a 5-star Green Star SA Design certified rating for an office building in 2015. In our design response, we treated the building facades differently in order to respond to climate and to lend some visual interest. We also selected a palette of materials and colors that tied our building with the adjacent Kailicha Hospital. This meant using largely natural colors that were accentuated with vibrant blues and reds. Internally, the response to program and environmental requirement was a largely open plan layout that improved chromatic control and natural light distribution. The key features of this particular building are the initiatives implemented to improve energy conservation, reduce energy consumption, and reduce the overall carbon footprint. As a result, the building is equipped with the latest technology in green systems. It uses the TABS, which stands for Thermally Activated Building Systems for thermal control. It addresses indoor environmental quality and occupant wellness concerns. It has a lighting management system with motion sensing light fittings. It has a rainwater harvesting system as well as a water consumption and monitoring strategy. From a local development point of view, it was important that as part of the design and construction process, we managed to include members of the community. To achieve this, a targeted approach was adopted to employ community members. Training centers were set up for skill transfer and development, and a system for local procurement was developed.